In a peaceful village nestled between two great mountains lived a young girl named Aisha. She had a rare gift. She could speak to animals, birds, goats, even a tortoise. All understood her. One morning, while wandering through the forest, Aisha spotted a glowing feather falling from the sky. It shimmered gold, as if guiding her somewhere special. She followed it through the trees and found a hidden cave covered in a moss. Inside was a magnificent golden eagle, growing softly on a stone pedestal. The eagle's eyes lit up, and without opening its beak, it spoke to her mind. "I am Akara," it said. "I hold ancient knowledge, but first you must pass these 3 trials." The first trial led her to the dark river, deep and mysterious. It hid a powerful crystal guarded by serpents. Aisha dove bravely into the waters. As the serpents approached, a silver fish appeared beside her. It guided her through the shadows. Together they outwitted the serpents, and Aisha retrieved the glowing crystal. The second trial took her to Stormy Peak. Rain lashed down as she climbed the rocky mountains. Suddenly, a mountain goat appeared and helped her find her footing. At the top, lightning cracked above a glowing nest. A majestic bird stared at her, then gently laid a blue feather in her hand. She had passed the second trial. For the final trial, Aisha entered the Cave of Whispers. Ghostly voices filled the air. She sat quietly, listening, and began to hear the wisdom of her ancestors. When she emerged at dawn, she was changed, stronger, wiser. She had passed all 3 trials. Akara bowed in respect. As a reward, Akara shared secrets of the earth, the healing of plants, the map of stars, and the energy that flowed through all living things. Back in the village, Aisha used her newfound knowledge to heal the sick. She became a light to the people. Akara watched from the sky, her royal guide. She taught the young and old, humans and animals, how to live in harmony with nature. Her teachings planted trees and hope in every heart. And so, Aisha's name rose with the stars. The girl who spoke with animals became a legend, the guardian of nature, and the voice of wisdom for generations to come. As time passed, word of Aisha's gift spread beyond the mountains. People traveled for days to learn from the girl with nature in her heart and a golden eagle by her side. Then came the drought. Rivers dried, leaves browned, children cried, but Aisha, with Akara's whisper in the wind, remembered the ritual of the rain. They needed herbs, a spring, and unity. Aisha led the preparation, while Akara soared ahead to the sacred spring deep in the hills. The ritual began. Aisha chanted the language of earth, drums echoed, the skies rumbled, then at last the rain fell. Far away, a dark figure watched. Malaika, sorcerer of the Shadowlands, burned with envy. He wanted the power Aisha carried. Khan cast a spell, trapping Akara in chains of smoke and shadow. Without Akara, Aisha felt a chill in her soul. Aisha set out alone, or so she thought. Along the way, others joined. Creatures armed by Malaika, rabbits, a badger, and birds. Together, they crept into Malaika's fortress. Traps waited, but so did courage, and nature never walks alone. Sensing Aisha's presence, Akara fought back. With a cry of defiance, he shattered the chains. The sky trembled. In the heart of darkness, Aisha and Akara faced Malaika. She called on the head. Roots rose. Wind screamed. The sorcerer fell. The shadows vanished. The rivers ran. Again, trees bloomed where thorns had grown, and creatures sang in joy. Aisha returned home a legend, but she did not seek fame. She sought balance. With Akara by her side, she kept walking, kept healing.